Welcome to CADFinesse. Today we'll model a wine bottle along with the cork. The model will look just like this. So let's get started. To begin modeling, we'll go to Create drop down, select a new component and rename it to wine bottle. We'll do the same process for the cork. We'll activate the complete file. Then repeat this process by creating a new component, this time renaming it to cork, and press OK or enter on your keyboard. Now we'll activate wine bottle. Go ahead to create sketch, select the ZX plane, and then we'll start to make the 2D sketch. We'll choose line, make a horizontal line for 35 millimeters. Then create a vertical line from the origin and give the dimensions of 250 millimeters like this. Hit enter. Then again we'll create a horizontal line. This time the measurement will be 10 millimeters. Now we'll make another line at an angle of 85 degree from the horizontal. The angle is 85 degrees. Then we'll make another line to complete the straight line part of the sketch. And now we'll select the spline tool and create a spline. We can adjust the spline by dragging these points. These points are known as control points. Now we'll apply a fillet, and at the bottom of the bottle we'll add a conical structure. Here we also add some fillet at the base, just like this. And now we'll use the center diameter circle to give a fillet to the line. We'll use this tangent constraint, and then we'll hit T on the keyboard for trimming excess edges. Hit escape to exit from the trim. And now you can see we have sketched the 2D sketch for the bottle. We'll add an arc at the rim of the bottle, just like this. And now our 2D sketch is ready to be revolved around an axis. Now we'll select revolve from create drop down, choose the Z axis, and here we have modeled a solid wine bottle, but we are not done yet. At this stage you will see the bottle is completely solid. So our next step is to make this bottle hollow. So we'll use the shell command, select the topmost face, enter the inner thickness and hit OK. And now let me show you using section analysis that the bottle is now hollow. Now we'll quickly get out of this by pressing cancel, and yeah, so now we have modeled the bottle, and at this point we'll add the fillet to the upper edge. Hit OK, and now we can go ahead and add appearances to the bottle. So I'll press A on the keyboard as a shortcut for appearances and drag and drop the appearance of glass, and I'll hit close to close the dialog box. And now we have a wine bottle done. Looks awesome. So now we'll go ahead and model the cork. To do that, we'll activate the cork component. Now the bottle becomes very transparent. almost not visible. We'll go ahead, create a sketch again at the ZX plane. We'll hit P as a shortcut for project the sketches for reference, and then we'll model a 2D sketch for the cork. So we'll give an angle of 95 degrees and a dimension of 15 mm length, and 95 degrees. Hit enter, and we will now create a line as a symmetry line, just like this, and then we'll close the upper half by choosing line and connecting these two, just like this. And now we'll further extend this line further into the bottle, and now we'll just close the figure. Right, so we have created a 2D sketch which is ready to be revolved around an axis. In this case, the axis will be the symmetry line itself. We'll select the profile, select the symmetry line as an axis, and hit OK, and we'll get a 3D model of a cork. Select the bottom and top edge for applying fillet, hit OK, and we have modeled our cork. We'll go ahead in appearances by pressing A on the keyboard as a shortcut and apply the appearance of particle board. This is closest, I think, in my opinion, to replicating appearance of a cork. We'll close this, and then we'll go ahead and activate the full assembly, and we are done. We have made a wine bottle with the cork. Here's a view, and it's completed. Thank you guys for tuning into CADFinesse. Feel free to drop comments in the comment section below. Hope you learned something from the video. If you did, please let us know by liking the video, and stay innovating and never stop learning. Thank you.